How to fix ChatGPT scroll not working, easy fix. Step 1. Refresh the page. Sometimes the simplest fix is just to reload the page. This can solve many minor issues like a frozen or unresponsive interface. On desktop, press Ctrl+R Windows or CMD+R Mac to refresh the page. On mobile, pull down on the screen to refresh the page or close and reopen the app/browser. Step 2. Clear browser cache and cookies. Accumulated cache or cookies can cause issues with web apps. Clearing them can resolve many problems. For Chrome, open Chrome, click the three dots menu in the top right corner. Go to More Tools, Clear Browsing Data. Select a time range, e.g., all time, and check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Click Clear Data. For Firefox, open Firefox and click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Cookies and Site Data. Click Clear Data, check both options, and then hit Clear. Step 3. Disable browser extensions. Sometimes browser extensions can interfere with website functions. Try disabling them temporarily to see if the issue is resolved. On Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner and go to More Tools, Extensions. Disable extensions one by one and check if scrolling works after each one is turned off. On Firefox, click the three lines in the top right corner, then go to Add-ons. Disable extensions and check if the scroll works. Step 4. Try a different browser. If you continue to have trouble, try accessing ChatGPT through a different browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, try Firefox, Safari, or Edge. This can help determine if the issue is browser-specific. Step 5. Update your browser. Running an outdated browser might cause compatibility issues. On Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Help about Google Chrome. If an update is available, Chrome will automatically download and install it. On Firefox, click the three lines in the top right corner, go to Help about Firefox. Firefox will automatically check for updates. Step 6. Check your internet connection. A poor or unstable internet connection can cause issues with loading or scrolling. Make sure your internet connection is stable and fast enough to support the web app. Step 7. Restart your device. If none of the above steps work, try restarting your device. Sometimes, a fresh start can fix lingering problems. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix the issue of the ChatGPT scroll not working. If the problem persists, you may want to contact support or check if there are any ongoing outages or technical issues on the platform.